Hi everyone. Welcome to Aishpine Coaching. So myself, Veera Prakash. Okay. So today in this session we are going to start multiplication of two digits, any two digits. Okay. So usually, say for example, 86 into 34. Okay. So how are we going to multiply this? As per our conventional method or school day method. So first you are going to calculate 4 into 6. Something comes. Then 4 8s up, something comes, then we put addition mark, then 3 6 up, something comes, and 3 8s up, something comes. So finally you are going to add it. Okay. So this much is the process for you to get the final answer. So what we do? So instead of going this school method, so here what happened, the time spent is more, you have to go with the 4 tables, 3 tables separately, and also then carry forwards will be there. And if you miss any carries or multiplication, then you may go wrong. And sometimes after addition at the second stage, here also you may go wrong. Okay, so that's why we'll come up with a different idea. First you multiply straight. Got it? 3 8s are 24, 6 4s are 24. Is it clear? So first you multiply straight away. 3 8s are and 4 6 are. Then you go for cross multiplication. Got it? So 4 8s are 32, 3 6 are 18. So after addition of these two numbers, you get a 50. 18 plus 32 is 50. So this 50 to be kept as leaving one digit 50. Is it clear? Now addition. The answer is 2924. Okay. So if you go for multiplication of 86 into 34, you'll be getting the answer as 2924. Okay. Once again, so first you multiply straight away. Okay. 8 3s are 24, 6 4s are 24. Then go for cross. So this can be easily remembered as IXI. For your memory purpose, you just keep in your mind is simple IXI. Okay. So after getting straight multiplication, how this 50 comes? By doing the cross multiplications. 8 4s are 32, 3 6 are 18. After addition of 32 and 18, you get a 50. So this 50 to be kept as leaving one digit 50. 0 should come in this below this digit and 5 should come below this digit. Then finally addition 2924. 4292. Okay. So we'll have some more examples to make you feel better. 38 into 78. Okay. First straight as we told you here. So 3 7s are 21, 8 8s are 64. So first step is very easy, direct multiplication. Then second step is cross multiplication. So 3 8s are 24, 7 8s are 56. After addition 80. Now final answer 2964. So this is quite and also very dead easy for you people. So why? Because so here you are not going to do separate 8 table 2 times, 7 table 2 times. Okay. So if you do this regular practice some about 30 to 40 problems, then you will be well versed in this 2 digits multiplication. Okay, we'll have some more examples. Say 87 into 58. So take any digits. So first 8 5s are 40 and 7 8s are 56. Then cross it. 8 8s are 64 and 7 5s are 35. So this is 99. So after adding this 5046. Okay. So this 99 to be taken as in this place, leaving 6 outside. What is it? So 9 as it is. 5 plus 9 is 14, carry 1. 9 plus 0 plus 1 is 50. Sorry, 0, carry 1. And 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay. You know some more examples. Say 37 into 88. Got it. 3 8s are 24. 7 8s are 56. Cross multiplication. 3 8s are 24. 8 sums are 56. Again same thing. So 24 plus 56 is 80. After addition of this, 3 to 5 6. We'll have some more examples. Say 93 into 57. Okay. So 5 9s are 45. 7 3s are 21. Cross it. 9 7s are 63. 5 3s are 15. 63 plus 15, 78. So 78, write it here. Then 5301 will be the answer. Okay. So ongoing process. So next we'll check with 3 digits. What happens? The multiplication of 3 digits. Here there is a slight changes in your method because here the numbers are going up to 3 digits. Okay. So for example, 4 5 6 into 7 8 3. (456) into 783. So here IXI will not work out for you. So why? Because it's up to hundreds place value. So how to do this? First, I'll draw the diagram here so that you can easily follow this. Okay. Of course, it looks like a Chinese, but it's not Chinese. Just it is the steps to follow. You may to feel you better, and it's also very easy for you. Okay. So first straight. So straight means 7 4s are 28. Okay. Then X mark. X mark means cross multiplication. Only these two. Don't touch the third one. So 4 8s are 32. 7 5s are 35. So 32 plus 35 is 67. So 67 you have to write in such a way that 6 is taken as carry and 7 you have to write here. Clear? Once again, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32 and 7 5s are 35. 32 plus 35 you have to add it, and after addition whatever comes, so the 67 to be kept as 6 as carry forward and 7 in the main line. Similarly, there is a star mark. Star mark, it shows that first what you have to do, this into this, 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12, 7 6 are 42 and straight 5 is 40. Okay, 4 3s are 12, 6 sums are 42 and 5 is 40. After addition of these all things you get 94. So 94 to be written as, again same thing, 9 carry, 4 in main line. Then the fourth part, X mark. So X mark means only this part. Don't go for first. Only tens and units place. So 5 3s are 15 and 8 6 are 48. After addition of these two, you will be getting 63. So again 6 as carry, 3 here, and final step is straight away 6 3s are 18, 1 carry, 8 in the main line. Now we'll add all these numbers. 8 as it is, 3 plus 1 4, 0 10, 17 carry 1, 15 carry 1, 3. So this will be the final answer, 357048. Okay. Of course, so this is the first one, will be getting confusion, so don't get any confusion. So once again I'll repeat you. Okay, so 4 5 6 and 7 8 3. 4 5 6 into 783. Okay, first straight away 4 into 7, 28. Then cross it, so X mark, 4 8 is 32, 7 5 is 35, 32 plus 35, 67, so this is 67. Then star mark, first into last, last into first, middle into middle. First into last, last into first, middle into middle. So this will come as for us 4 3s are 12, 6 7s are 42, and 5s are 40. Altogether, the total for these three numbers will be 94. 94 should be kept in such a way that 9 is taken carry and 4 in the main line. Similarly, the X mark, these two part, 5 is a 15 and 8 6 are 48. After addition of these two, you will be getting 63. Again, 6 has carry, 3 in the main line. And finally, the straight mark, 6 3 is a 18. 1 has carry, okay, 8 here, right? Normal addition. So this will be the answer for 4 5 6 into 7 8 3. Okay. So we'll have some more examples. Say 786, 542. Okay. So 7 5 is 35, 7 4 is 28, 5 is 40. So 28 plus 40, 68. 7 2 is 14, 6 5 is 30, 14 plus 30. So 14 plus 30 is 44, and 8 4 is 32, 44 plus 32, 76. Then 8 2 is 16, 6 4 is 24, this comes to 40, and 6 2 is 12. Add it, 2 1 0 6 2 4. So 4 to 6, 0 1 2 is the answer for 7 8 6 into 5 4. Okay. So what are the cross multiplication or additions is there? You have to do it in your mind. So no need to go for the calculation part. Okay. So after practicing some 30-40 problems on this trick, so we can solve this less than 10 seconds. Okay, another example, 475 to 385. So 4 3 is 12, 7 3 is 21, and 4 8 is 32. So 21 plus 32 is 53. Now 4 5 is 20, plus 3 5 is 15, 20 plus 15, 35, and 7 8 is 56. So altogether 91. Then 7 5 is 35, plus 40, 75, and 5 5 is 25. Addition of this, 5 7 8 12 8 1. So 192 875 is the answer for 475 to 3. So we have some more examples. 8 6 8, go for some big numbers. 868 into 989. Okay. So 8 9s are 72, 8 8s are 64, and 9 6 are 54. So 64 plus 54 will be getting 118. So 108, sorry, 118. So take 11 as carry and 8 here. Okay. 118 should be kept as 11. You have to take carry forward, and only in digit 8 should be written in upper column. Okay. Now 8 into 9. 8 9s are 72. Again 9 8s are 72, and 6 8s are 48. So after addition of this, (192). So again 19 has carried 2 here. Then cross these two. 6 9s are 54, 8 8s are 64. What do you have here? 64 and 54. Again 118, 118. Then finally 8 9s are 72. Now addition, 2 as it is 15, this is 14, 28, carry 2, and this is 15, 8. So 8 5, 8 4, 5 2. So this is the answer for 868 into 989. So likewise friends, so you can have the practice over these type of problems, okay, and be perfect in this. If you solve some 30 to 40 problems, so then you'll be getting control over this, okay. So in this session we've gone through multiplication of 2 digits as well as 3 digits. Thank you very much.